How to find ad preferences settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ad preferences settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now just click this one, settings and privacy, and after you click on it you will find this one, settings, and then just go down until you find the permissions, and then you will find add preferences. Just click on it, and as you see here you can manage add preferences. Just manage anything you want and then go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.